We got a headlight out on the 2011 Santa Fe. So this is the high beam. This is the headlight. We got the headlight out here. We're going to take this cap, let's give it a little turn like that, and it comes off. Light the best I can in here. You can see this is the bulb. You're going to twist that almost like a quarter turn to half. Those are the connections. The bulb is out. You can see right there that it's disconnected from the socket here. Those two wires should be connected. That's why it's out, or it blew out. We're going to get a new bulb to put in there. So I got the new bulb here. You see I put a glove on because you do not want to touch the bulb with your hands. You do not want to touch the bulb with your hand. Do not touch that. Let me get the light back on. I know it's hard to see stuff. It's such a cramped area. I'm just kind of doing it by feel too. I can't even see it. Okay, I think I got it. Looks good. Now I'm gonna test it. Make sure it's shining right. Put that cap back on. So the light's working now. Looks like it's good. So we're going to call it good. Leave a like, subscribe, and you know the deal.